I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to blur background of image in Canva. After starting Canva, we can go to our folder. I have an image. I drag and drop into Canva to upload the image. Next, we can select the image and then we can go to open the editor. And then make sure that we select the image and go to top option bar. We can find edit and then go to tools. We can click CO. Next, we can find autofocus. Click and wait a moment. So autofocus is applied and we can make a fine adjustment. We can increase the blur intensity or we can decrease it. Increase it. And also we can make a fine adjustment of the focus position. We can focus to background or we can focus to the man. So this is how we can blur background of image in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.